Let's go to the unicorn world. With Miss Uni, our wings unfurl. Sparkles, magic, and twinkling lights will be unicorns before tonight. Miss Uni smiled with a twinkle in her eye. Step through the door and you'll learn to fly. Sal felt pink sparkles in her hair. Lin's hair turned lavender fair. Let's go to the unicorn world. With Miss Uni, our wings unfurl. Sparkles, magic, and twinkling lights will be unicorns before tonight. They galloped on clouds, they danced in the sky. Painted rainbows way up high. Glittering stars lit up their path. They even took a bubble bath. Now they shine in the unicorn world. Sal and Lin with manes that twirl. Learning kindness.
Would you like to visit the
love,
unicorn
and
world?
fun. With Miss Uni, magic's just begun. Let's go to the unicorn world. With Miss Uni, our wings unfurl. Sparkles, magic, and twinkling lights will be unicorns before tonight.
Did you have fun dancing with us? Give a big thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to tap the magic button to subscribe and join the fun again.